Hi, today I'll knit the smallest set of children's boots on 2 needles. The sole length is about 9 centimeters. Cast on 34 stitches and, and knit the first row. The second row, one slip, one knit, yarn over, 14 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, yarn over, 2 knit, yarn over, 14 knit, 13, 14, yarn over, knit, purl. On the purl side, work all stitches as knit. All stitches as knit. Now continue following the next chart. Now work 4 rows in stockinette stitch. Knit right side and wrong side, work the purl stitches. It looks like this. Next row, 1 slip, 2 knit together and yarn over, 2 knit together, yarn over, 2 knit together, 2 knit together, yarn over. Wrong side, work the purl stitches. Now work 3 more rows in stockinette stitch. This is how the 3 knitted rows look. Now take a thinner needle and pull it through here. Like this. It's look like this. Continue like this. First slip, slip one stitch into the next needle and knit two stitches together. Slip stitch, slip one stitch into the next other needle and knit two stitches together. Slip one to second needle and slip two together and continue. We have finished working this part here. Now knit 6 rows using only knit stitches. You get 3 rivets like this. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3 ranges. 1, 2, 3. Mark the middle 22 stitches. Knit all stitches and between the markers work 2 by 2 rib, knit 2, purl 2. Knit all stitches. Knit all stitches and between the markers work a 2 by 2 rib, knit 2, purl 2, and wrong side work per the pattern. Now we work 6 rows and now you can see 6 ridges on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, between the markers, knit 2 stitches together. Work until the marker, and here work 2 stitches together. Until the marker. Now work 3 rows in pattern. In right side all stitches knit, in wrong side all stitches purl between the markers. It's look like this. And now we have 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again between the markers knit 2 stitches together. Knit until the marker, 2 stitches together, 1, 2 stitches together, 3, 2 stitches together, 4, 1 stitch and 2 stitches together, 5 and 6. Continue knit wrong side between the markers, purl stitches. Now we make holes to the cord. Slip 1 knit, 2 knit together, an hour. Knit, 2 knit together, an hour. Knit, 2 knit together, an hour. And continue. Knit, 2 knit together, an hour. And knit next row. Then I work a 2 by 2 rib for about 22-25 rows. It's look like this. You can finish with a larger needle to make the edge softer. Or per the pattern. Leave a long tail to sew the seam. Put it to opposite edge. Take near and back to some stitch in opposite edge. Take stitch, put to some edge on opposite stitch. Put it out through the same stitch on the opposite edge. Then here and back. Make a cord about 42 centimeters. It's all. The slippers are finished. Good luck.